Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keith. I make English learning simple and enjoyable for all of you. In today's video, I have got 15 words, and if you know all of them, your English vocabulary is better than 97%. Yes, so do you think you are in top 3% of English speakers? Let's find it out. Here is how this is going to work. I'll show you a word and then I'll give you three choices. And your job is to pick the best definition. Got it? So let's get started. Here is the word number one. Value. Does this mean hope, worth, or uncertain? If something has value, that means it's useful in some way or that it can be exchanged for money. Example, cars tend to lose their value over time. Now, word number two, sustain. Does this mean support, to weaken, or to finish? To sustain something means to support it or to keep it going over time. Example, runners need to sustain their energy in order to finish a marathon. Word number three, various. Does this mean different, the same, or confusing? If something is various, that means it includes several different types of things. For an instance, you can buy various kind of food at a supermarket. Word number four, emphasize. Does this mean to highlight, to remove, or to diminish? To emphasize something means to give special importance to it. For an example, the teacher emphasized the need to study before the exam. Word number five, typical. Does this mean ordinary, expensive, or complicated? If something is typical, it's ordinary. There is nothing unusual about it. It was a typical day. I got up, I went to work, and I came home. Nothing extraordinary. Okay, dear students, we have done 5 questions now. Did you get all of them correct? Alright. So now we'll slightly do tougher things. Here we go. Word number 6, blunt. Does this mean sharp, straightforward, or foolish? If something is blunt, that speak in direct and straightforward way. For an instance, Ria was blunt about her opinions even if they upset others. Word number 7 is consequence. Does this mean cause, results, or ignorance? A consequence is a result of an action or a choice and is usually a bad result. Let's take an example. The consequence of skipping class was that the Soham failed his course. Next is strain. Does this mean to relax, to look down, or to make a great effort? To Sustain means to exert physically or mentally effort, often to the point of difficult or even pain. Example, Sohan strained his back while lifting those heavy boxes. Next is authentic. Does it mean unoriginal, genuine, or serious? If something is authentic, it's genuine or real, not a copy. Experts confirm that the painting was authentic. The last word for today is evolve. Does this mean to remain the same, to change gradually, or to fall apart? To evolve means to change over time, often from something simple to something more complex. For an instance, since the 1980s, infamous technology has evolved rapidly. So, hooray students, you have completed 10 questions and excellent work done. Well done. So now you have to leave a comment below and let me know whatever your score is. Why? Because you should feel very proud of yourself for taking this quiz because you are working to improve your English and that's what really counts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and for more English learning content. Till then, bye and take care.